another one of them smoking songs, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Where my potheads at? Right here. Yeah. Check it. We rolling trees and smoking. La 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 la. Another weed song from me. Burning more trees than sheets. Strong red and meth all rolled together in the same L. We smoke blunts all day. You can't tell. Hell, I'm stomping in with my boots on. Rolling to the diner with my half off coupon. Fuck. I've been burning since I was newborn. So high, flying through space with Jimmy Neutron. That's how I do, man. Rock the rhythm. You would think I had a motherfucking pot prescription, like the doctor's flipping. My grass stay fresh cut, sticky, icky, wet stuff. Put it in the next dust. But last time I had a checkup, the doc said my brain was not fully developed. Fuck, but it just don't matter. I'ma have to roll the next blunt fatter. Just break it up and smoke that. Now twist it up and smoke that. Now light it up and smoke that. And now we're going for this weed, hit your chest, should invest in cash. And it's fat, watch the sniper. Time to pay the piper and let that real shit provoke. See, you so wanna be low, then you'll get smoked. And I hope that your fans understand when you talk about spraying me. The same records that you're making is paying me. Motherfuck Dre, motherfuck Snoop, motherfuck Death Row. Yo, and here comes my left blow. Cause I'm the EAZYE, and this is the season to let the real motherfucking G's in. You're like a kid, you found a puppy, now you're dapper. But tell me where the fuck you found the anorexic rapper. Talking about who you gon' squabble with and who you shoot. You're only 60 pounds when you're wet and wearing boots. Damn, E, they tried to fade you on Dre Day. But Dre Day only meant Easy's payday. All of a sudden, Dr. Dre is the G thing. But on his old album covers, he was a she thing. So nigga, please don't step to these motherfucking real G's. You should have known by now. Every night it's a new
Purchase this leasing beat from now. Feel the music. Visit badlyrock.com. Purchase this leasing beat from now. Feel the music. badlyrock.com. Turn it up. Purchase this leasing beat from now. Feel the music. Visit badlyrock.com. up.
Happy birthday, Duriel, from me and Lauren. My name is Mac Lethal, but I'm gonna spit some paler and faster fucking lyrics. Let's go. Yo, yo, oh hi, my name's Max. Ecstasy, cocaine, and crack. None of that. I just smoke green while Chinese people eat your cat. Roll by on a low ride, Huffy, Simpsons on, and my beer is Duffy. Cup rolled up to my calf, cash out the ass, cause I wrote a couple raps for Puffy. I gotta be the one to bite the bullet, I'm a sinner, but I bet I could've been a better man. I wanna be Zen, but I go sipping on some medicine instead of meditating, but I get it when I can. I don't wanna wind up in the gutter with a bottle of malt liquor bitter, cause I never got a call. But who the fuck drinks malt liquor anymore? Give me vodka now and start sucking on my balls. Motherfuckers wanna have another personal epiphany. I'm coming with a symphony, eliminating everybody, anybody. Roll up like a cannibal and bite them like a peanut butter wrapper. In a minute, I'm a nibble on a pentagram, and every single bitter limb is getting so offended. I don't give a damn if anything. A mental plan is coming with a visually integrated entity, and everybody's gonna get the guillotine. I'm getting cinematic in a matter of a minute. Every milligram is devilish. The Vatican will kill it dead. Gonna kill it till it's dead. I'ma try to hit him in the head. Corn fed, Midwestern whore bread. She looks so thick and juicy. Give it to me in the booty shorts. Then you gotta get up in the morning, get out. Let's speed it up. Big breath. Never been a counterfeit of nothing. I am just an elevated entity. I'm coming to get.
Muchísimas gracias a Smoke Black que me ayudó a hacer la intro. Aquí en la descripción les dejaré su canal, la verdad se lo recomiendo. Muchísimas gracias a todos los muchachos que me ayudaron a grabar las cinemáticas. Un saludo a Legacy Strike y a Real Samaki.